everyone, I'm Jerlyn and I'm thrilled to finally launch my YouTube channel. As an Adobe Community Expert and designer, I've been wanting to share my creative process with you all for quite some time. I also want to share more of my journey in digital accessibility. I work in advertising and I've been in this industry for years. While I'm primarily a designer, I also dabble in programming and lately I've been diving deep into generative AI. Today, I'm kicking off an exciting series where I'll take you through the complete branding of Paradise Hideaway, a beautiful Airbnb in my home country, Dominica. It's what's in my background. So, located in Wesley, Dominica, where I was born and lived for around 10 years, Paradise Hideaway represents the perfect blend of natural beauty and hospitality. While I haven't visited yet, I've partnered with them as my mock client to demonstrate a real world branding process. Now, let's talk about tools. As an Adobe Community Expert, you'll definitely see me working with Creative Cloud. But here's the thing, I understand not everyone has access to premium software. So throughout the series, we'll explore both paid and free tools. Yes, I'm an Adobe fangirl, but I believe in finding solutions that work for different budgets. You'll see me using everything from industry standard software to innovative free alternative. In this series, we will cover brand strategy and positioning, logo design and development, color palette selection, typography choices, brand voice and personality, digital presence optimization. And full disclosure, I am new to YouTube and this video might not be perfectly polished, but hey, everyone starts somewhere, right? What matters is the value of the content, and I promise that would always be top notch. If you're excited to learn about branding, design, and maybe a bit of Dominica along the way, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Drop your questions and suggestions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Next time, we will dive into the initial research and mood board for creation for Paradise Hideaway. So, see you then.